Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. Today we are going to see how to download or how to install Discord on your PC, Windows or Windows 10, Windows 7 or Windows 10. So this is going to be very short video. So I'm going to show you. Before we start, if you link new on this channel, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel and comments below. So without time wasting, let's start with the video. So guys, here I am on my Google Chrome Google. Okay, simply type here download Discord for PC, and here you can see the first officially website discord.download. Click on it, and here it will be download for your Windows 7 or higher. Okay, so click on Window. The installation file will be automatically download in your bottom side. You can see here, and now after installation you have to click on it. So simply you have to install the this software as you install other software, and after installation you have to log in with your email id and user id on your password. Okay, so click on run. If you got any problem, so you can see my another video where I have explained why if there are error to install Discord in your computers, how you can get out from this issue. Okay, so here is how this will install will be happen. It will be take 5 minutes. So this is very simple. So now it will be installed. You have to just install Discord on your computer. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channels and comments below.